Well, moving on now, and food is one of the most important parts of Lunar New Year celebrations, and while there's so much to choose from, one of the popular dishes is Yisang or prosperity salad.
Now, with all the ingredients tossed together with your loved ones, it's a fun way. You're not putting your loved ones in the salad.
In the bowl.
But they're just in the mix.
In the vicinity.
With you, in the vicinity. It's a really fun way to bring in the new year with good fortune. Here to show us how is restaurateur and cookbook author Junda Khoo. Welcome to you, Junda. Happy New Year to you. It's from your new book. This recipe is from your new book. And each of the ingredients is important.
Yes, so for Lunar New Year, I guess every ingredient has a meaning, but mostly the ingredient doesn't matter, it's actually the color. So like green for longevity, red for luck, like stuff like the peanuts and sesame. The belief was to layer the foundations of your house and the gold nuggets. And for us from Malaysia, when we do the prosperity salad, we toss it, and as you toss, you make your wishes, and the higher you toss, apparently, the more likely it's going to come through.
Really?
The higher the toss.
The higher the toss.
Wow.
Yeah.
So are you getting good height with your salad toss?
It really is up to you, and everyone as they go, they make a lot of noises and they scream and they shout, and then you usually start off with this dish first before you go on to all of your other dishes. And so, usually a mess is made. And, again, at the end of the day, for me, whether you believe it or not, it's up to you, but there's no harm. There's no harm. It's fun.
I'm thinking, the chef from the Muppets.
Yes.
Remember, where everything is...
chaos.
Total chaos. OK, so talk us through how you're doing this.
All right, so it's a very simple salad. We start off with a salmon roast in the middle, and then you have everything finely sliced. Of course, the most important thing after slicing is to put it in ice cold water so that it stays fresh. All the work is done in the prep. So you can do this the day before, if it's in ice water and salt. And what I normally do is I like to go with contrasting colors. So we go with a little bit of purple, which is the red cabbage. We go on the other side. We go with...
Can you buy the salmon roe from the supermarket?
It's pretty much salmon sashimi, and what you do is you just roll it up into a roast. Yep.
The colours are magnificent. What else are we putting in there?
So we've got cabbage, we've got white radish. Now we've got just some sliced green apple. Yep. And we've got red carrots, we've got pickled ginger. Again, like I said, you can put whatever you want in this salad. After all, it's just a salad. It's healthy. You've got salmon sashimi. You can't complain with that. And it's pretty much just the colors, right? So you want the colors in there that brings the auspicious meanings to the dish.
How do you suggest, are we going to be cutting this by hand, do it in a food processor?
Yeah, so use it by hand, that's the safest. Have a very sharp knife, but go nice and slow and easy. So I've seen, because we prepare hundreds of these at the restaurant, and I've seen my chefs using the mandolin, and sometimes when you go through the mandolin really quickly, it's not a good sign.
And are you adding any dressing to these as well?
Yes, we are. So all right, so let's go. We'll finish that. So we've got the sesame seeds, foundation to your house,
Yep.
That's what they're saying. We've got peanuts. The Chinese or the Asians, we love money, right? So gold nuggets.
Yeah, right.
Gold nuggets.
And then you're going to toss it all together.
We're going to toss it all together.
So beautiful.
We've got just a simple plum sauce.
Yum. And are you going to give us a demonstration
show us
of
your
this?
toss.
We're going to do it together. We're going to do it
salad.
together. We're going to do it together. We've got a little bit of salt.
Down with the notes.
That looks too good.
The notes are a little too close.
I'll do the note holding while you demonstrate.
Do you want to use a chopstick?
Oh, sure.
If you...
OK.
Chopsticks.
And literally, I feel like you need to...
All right, so we just grab it. Ready?
So we're just mixing the whole thing together?
So what we do is we lift it up, and then we drop it down.
Oh.
I don't know if you saw that, but
You've got to do it high.
Yeah, you got to do it high. And what we go is just go, Gong Si Fa Chai. Happy New Year. Wishing you all the best for 2024.
Oh, look at that.
Well, I don't think this is how it's supposed to happen, is it?
It is. In fact, it's actually worse.
And
it's worse.
The bigger the mess, the
bigger.
better.
At the restaurant,
really?
the plates are this big, and the mess is going to be everywhere. It's going to be all over the floor.
And then do you go and pick it up?
No, so you just eat whatever's left on the plate. So go for it.
If there's...
Grab a bit of salad, grab a bit of everything, and then just go.
Oh, yum.
Anecdotally, the more people toss it high, they get good luck. Does it actually play out that way?
That's the belief. That's what they believe. Yeah.
So we got a lot of good luck.
Ginger. Yum.
Yeah. So,
yum, the sesame, the crispy noodles, yum.
I'm covered in salmon from your errant tossing. Thank you so much.
Thank
It's
you
a
so much.
delicious recipe. We'll put all the details up on the website as well.
Of all the things that I thought was going to happen today, I didn't think you were going to say that to me.
Also in Junda's new book, it's called Ho Jack, A Taste of Malaysia, and it is out now.